She expresses her gratitude to be a daughter of educationists. Her passion in the environment around her inspired her to follow the legacy of her parents. The Great Mentors warmly invites Dr. RAAVEE Tripathi, Principal, Sumitra Group of Schools. Dr. RAAVEE Tripathi is an educational evangelist with more than 27 years of experience. She has marked her presence as an author, writer by getting her book published with the name, Professional Communication, in 3 editions. Training people is her forte, and she has been conducting various workshops serving teachers, students and parents as well. Also, she is a certified trainer at CBSE and District Training Coordinator CBSE. She is also a certified trainer by National Institute of Education and Training Delhi, and a certification by Luxury Academy London. She earned a number of worthy leadership certificates like IIM Ahmedabad, CBSE Certified, IIT Kanpur Certified, Human Values, Leadership Program, IIM Kozhikode Certified, Pedagogical Leadership Trainer, NEPA and CBSE, to quote a few. Molding young minds towards the route of success and wisdom has always been something that has forever stuck with her. She has been officially selected as an ATL Mentor of Change by Niti Aayog, Governor of India. Dr. RAAVEE believes in self-analysis and introspection. She opined that small changes are important for growth. She conducts workshops on human values and professional ethics for students, parents and teachers that gives her immense satisfaction as an individual who could serve humanity by coaching, guiding, mentoring and counseling. She is an ardent believer of each child is a mine of talent, and we only have to introduce the child with her strength. And this belief of hers has brought many laurel to the institution she leads, may it be in the field of academics, art, dance and music or sports. She is the recipient of various awards and accolades. To name a few: National Mahila Rattan Award by International Institute of Education and Management, Jewel of India, Best Educationist Award by Indian Solidarity Council of India, the Best Teacher Award, Noble Asian Winners Award 2018 and many uncountable prestigious awards.